This how to 1 minute will guide you how to create or how to set up subdirectory in cpanel. So in this video I will show you total 2 methods to set up subdirectory or subdomain for your website. The first method is from set up a subdirectory from files manager. So open your cpanel and open file manager. And now open your website folder. Now navigate to your website folder. And here click on this folder icon. In the new folder dialog, enter your new folder name. And then click on create new folder. And this is basically a new subdirectory or subfolder. Now you can open this folder, and here now you can upload your website or you can upload WordPress website. So this was the first method to set up a subdirectory. Now let's see the second method. Open your file manager and open Software Coolers apps installer. And here search for WordPress. Click on install. And select here your protocol. I've installed SSL. So here I'm selecting HTTPS. Now select here your domain. And this is the field where you have to write a name for your subdirectory or subfolder. So I'm giving here and then you can change your WordPress login password and username from here and scroll down, click on install. And as you can see, my subdirectory or subdomain subfolder has been successfully created. So this is how we can set up subfolder or subdirectories. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.